Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. Part 2 of the Chamberlain door install. As you can notice, we moved the one hang. Like I said, it's wider in the back than it is in the front. See here, we got the photo eyes installed, all nice and neatly wired all the way up to the ceiling, and then it goes to the left, to the middle. I'm gonna have you help me with this video here, okay? Yeah. Thank you. So stay here. The other photo eye, nicely and neatly wired. Now we did use a staple gun. We used the Arrow T25 9/16 staples. We found that those work the best, opposed to the little minis that come in the box. These things used to be bigger at one time, but these things are so short now, it's very hard to, let me just show you here. No, I want to video that too. So hold on. If you want, just lift it up in the air and lean it up on the ladder or something. It's very hard to hold one of these and hit it with a hammer. So we use a staple gun. Staple gun we love is the Bostitch Stanley. Never had no problems with this guy. This stapler is awesome. Love it. Never had one issue with it ever. The Arrow staplers, I think, went down in quality years ago, so I switched over to that. Like I said, here's the old opener. What I wanted to show you in the front was, before I do, there's the dog limits. That's called a dog limit or a cam limit. It hits that back switch and shuts off. Also, these bars in the back separate a little bit, causing the micro switch in the back to tell the logic board I'm open or closed. But what I wanted to show you, look at that. There's a nut missing. Who knows how long? Still, this allister still worked. Tried and true. So we reused the arm. Why? Well, that arm's actually made out of metal, and the newer ones, you could see there's, they just took a whole bunch of metal out of there. They claim that's stronger, but I don't think so. So I use the old allister cast iron, no metal missing at all. This thing's gonna be solid, tried and true. All right, let's bring the door down. We'll show you some stuff over here. Now if you want, sir, once we get it, we'll connect it. You got an impact gun? Yep. Why don't you put a 7 on there? We'll put that third. Someone did this backwards. The pressure's on the bottom, so you need 2 legs on the bottom, not up at the top. Go ahead and do that real quick. Then we'll show what we did up here and while we're waiting. Yeah. The allister bracket worked fine in the front. We just reused the bolt with the lock nut. That's not going anywhere. Reused the pin, and there's our second lag going in the bottom. Nice and tight. That's it. So now it's good to go. We got 2 in there in the bottom. Someone did put new springs on here. Wasn't us. This realtor contacted us. So that's all set. And last but not least, you can see the blinking push button. That's going to be the last thing you do. So for now, why don't we get that down? I'll hook the door to the op, and then we'll show you how to program limits. So in the back, once you get it all done, you press this middle button. This is on one of my other videos too. Press and hold it till the arrow blinks up. Upsy daisy. And you just go to the desired height. You don't want it too high. Usually I like to go just a tad over the opening. Whoop. There we go. I like to go higher than this, and the reason, you're going to run out of cable space, and then sometimes you start actually unback winding the spring, and then the cable will pop off. When you're done reaching the desired limit, hit the square button again, or the rectangle button. The arrow will now blink down. press and hold the down on there, and we're going to set it to the floor. Now once you do set it to the floor, the newer openers will reset it as well to find the floor so that it squishes tight. So that's good right there. We'll go a little bit more. There we go. And now you're done with the limits. Now the arrow's blinking up, so you just hit that up button. It's setting the up force. And next we're going to set the down force. Okay, there's the arrow pointing down. We'll just hit that on the way down. You can see this angle we reused is nice and tight, sturdy. I think the bulb used to work. I don't know what happened. Maybe the bulb... Oh, did you put the bulb up in there? Yes. Yeah. Okay, and then you can see here the opener did push it a little bit further down. You can see the chain hanging slightly, and that's fine. And that's finding the floor, so in case the photo eye system would fail, it would reverse off of whatever it hits. And last but not least, we'll walk over here to the blinking push button, and that's just a matter of hitting the button once. It stops blinking, and 2, 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, and go garage door opener, go. Alright, here we go. So now we're going to take, oh, we could probably, you got a bulb in your truck or no?
Let me take a look. I might not.
I got one in mine. Here, I'll go in my van real fast. We'll go and get a bulb. You can clean up a little bit if you'd like, thank you. Go to the Innotech truck here, and we'll see, there we go. Little plug for Nut and Bunt Cakes. Awesome buns. You guys like cakes in the Chicagoland area, go there. Nothing Bunt Cakes is phenomenal. There's that. Brand new bulb for the homeowner there. Alrighty. There's the opener information. Okay, that's on there good. We'll sticker it up. Sticker on the bottom, sticker's already on the door. Put a sticker here by the push button, and that's it. Chamberlain garage door opener install with a Allister 710 Century takedown. I think we got everything cleared. We put a little couple rail clips up there. The opener, thank you sir. Opener that comes in the box is already pre-programmed, so you ain't got to do that. This will take universal remotes from the store. Chamberlain openers, LiftMaster, TrueGuard, Sears, and Rainer, a couple other ones. Anything that's private label box with a Chamberlain. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. We are going to get that opener out. We're just a little, times are a little difficult right now, as you all know. I pray that you guys all stay healthy, safe. Thank you again for making the channel. Be able to take 1,000 subscribers, that's a blessing. Humbly, thank you for all that. Thank you for watching this video, how to install and put together a Chamberlain door opener part 2. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Stay healthy, everyone, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Thank you.